Ever ordered chips in America and got the wrong thing? Let's fix that. Hello everyone, welcome back to the HC English Pod. I'm Levim.
And I'm Sophie. Today we're solving a huge problem. British versus American words that confuse everyone.
You think you're saying the right word, but natives look at you like, what?
Exactly. So we're giving you 20 words fast, so you never mess up again.
Before we start, hit that subscribe button. You'll thank us later.
All right, let's go. First up, food words. In Britain, chips are fries. In America, chips are crisps.
So, if you want fries in the US, say fries. If you want crisps in the UK, say crisps. Easy.
Next, biscuit. In Britain, a cookie. In America, a fluffy bread thing.
Can I have a biscuit with tea? In the UK, perfect. In the US, weird.
Okay, clothing words. Pants, in Britain, means underwear. In America, trousers.
So don't say nice pants to a British person unless you mean it.
And trainers in the UK are sneakers in the US. Same shoes, different name.
Here's a tricky one. Flat versus apartment. UK says flat, US says apartment.
I live in a flat sounds totally normal in London, but in New York, say apartment.
Now transportation. Lorry in the UK is a truck in the US.
And boot of a car in Britain, that's the trunk in America.
Wait, here's the confusing part. Bonnet in the UK is the hood of a car in the US.
See, same car, totally different words.
Quick ones now. Lift in the UK is elevator in the US.
Queue in Britain is line in America. I'm waiting in the queue versus I'm waiting in line.
Rubbish in the UK is trash or garbage in the US.
And here's one that trips everyone up. Football. In the UK, it's soccer. In the US, football is a different sport.
Holiday in Britain means vacation in America. I'm going on holiday versus I'm going on vacation.
Last few. Torch in the UK is flashlight in the US.
Chemist in Britain is pharmacy in America.
Postcode in the UK, zip code in the US.
And finally, mate is super common in the UK. In the US, say buddy or friend.
There you go. 20 words, 2 minutes, 0 confusion.
Now you know which word to use where. Practice these and you'll sound natural anywhere.
If you found this helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment. Which words surprised you most?
Subscribe to the HZ English Pod for more quick tips like this.
See you next time.
Keep learning, keep growing.